Welcome back everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Debugger. So today here we are to continue our TCS NQT coding question series. So far in this playlist we have discussed about prime numbers, palindrome numbers and the anagram strings which are most important TCS questions. And today in this video we are going to discuss about the Fibonacci series which is also one of the most TCS asked question which TCS generally asked from easy to medium every year in the TCS NQT paper and the interviews as well. So now we start with this series. So the Fibonacci series are an infinite sequence of numbers which generally start with 0 and 1 and where each number is the sum of its last two digits or the last two numbers. So we will understand with the simple example. So I will tell you what is the Fibonacci series in very simple manner. Okay. So Fibonacci series is this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on. You will not have to remember this complete series. I will tell you how to find this complete series without remembering it any time. So we all know the Fibonacci series is an infinite sequence. There is no any ending term of this Fibonacci series. And it always starts with 0 and 1. So Fibonacci series always start with 0 and 1. And where each number is the sum of its last two numbers. So if you will look into this one, okay, if you will look into this one, this is the sum of last two numbers. So 0 plus 1, okay. If you will look into this 2, so it will be the sum of last two numbers. So last two numbers is 1 plus 1. And if you will look into this 3, it is also the sum of the last two numbers, 1 plus 2, okay. So 1 plus 2 will be 3. And if you want to find out the next term of this Fibonacci series, so just tell me what will be the next term? The next term will be 5 plus 8. It means 13. The next term will be the Fibonacci series of is, is 13. Okay. So what we have understood till now, so we have understood that the Fibonacci series always start with 0 and 1. And its next term will be sum of last two numbers. Okay. So I hope you got my point. What is the Fibonacci series? What are the conditions of the Fibonacci series? So these two are the conditions of the Fibonacci series. If you will remember these two conditions, you will always be able to find any term of the Fibonacci series. So now we will understand this properly with a very simple coding questions. So if you will find this coding question on the lead code if you will search directly on the Google about the Fibonacci series. I will also provide you the link in my description box. You can easily find from there also. So the Fibonacci number commonly denoted as Fn. Fn is only a notation of the Fibonacci series, uh, which is always start with 0 and 1 and sum of its last two preceding ones. Okay. So let's understand. We in this question, simply we have to return the nth term of the Fibonacci series. As we know, the Fibonacci series is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. So if you will leave n equals to 2, it means first term and the second term. So the second first term and the second term. So the second term is 1. Okay. And if you will look into this screen, so this is this is the third term of the Fibonacci series. This is the zeroth index, first index, second index, and the third index. Okay, so we have to tell the third position or the third index each and every time. Okay, so uh, vector int arr and We all know the first number always be 0 and the second number always be 1, and here we have to make vector. So now we have to run a for loop from in I equals to 2, because for the 0th and the 1 index we have already set the value explicitly. And the back of I will be sum of its last two numbers. And each time what we will have to return. So understand first. If n equals to 2, it is written in the value of 2. Okay. So each time we have to return the nth term. Okay. If you will run this code, uh, we have to make an array of n plus 1 size, because we are written in the index. So here we have to create the vector of the n plus 1 size. Just a second. What is the error here? We will check first. Right. So here we have to run from up to nth term. Here we are doing a mistake. So I hope this will run this time. Yes, it is running successfully. So let's submit this to see if it is able to find complete all the test cases. Okay. If n is less than or equal to 1, then always return the value of n. I hope this will work as each and every time. Yes, it is working successfully. So I hope you got my point. You have understood this code, and this is the explanation of the Fibonacci series. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe and like our video, and stay with us to understand more topics and the more questions of the TCS. Thank you.